Diversity and inclusion, D&I, are essential components of a successful and innovative workplace. By fostering a culture that values different perspectives and backgrounds, organizations can enhance their creativity, employee satisfaction, and overall performance. Here are some best practices for promoting diversity and inclusion and the benefits they bring to the workplace. Best practices for promoting diversity and inclusion. Commitment from leadership. Leadership commitment is crucial for successful D&I initiatives. Leaders must not only endorse but actively participate in D&I efforts. This involves setting clear goals, allocating resources, and regularly communicating the importance of diversity and inclusion to the organization. Establish a D&I committee. Create a dedicated team or committee to oversee D&I initiatives. This group should include employees from diverse backgrounds and positions within the company. Their role is to develop, implement, and monitor D&I strategies, ensuring alignment with organizational goals. Implement comprehensive training programs. Regular training on diversity, equity, and inclusion helps employees understand the importance of these concepts and how to integrate them into their daily work. Training should cover topics such as unconscious bias, cultural competence, and inclusive leadership. Inclusive recruitment practices. Develop recruitment strategies that attract a diverse pool of candidates. This can include partnering with organizations that focus on underrepresented groups, using diverse interview panels, and ensuring job descriptions are free of biased language. Additionally, consider implementing blind recruitment processes to reduce unconscious bias. Promote an inclusive culture. Foster an inclusive work environment where all employees feel valued and respected. This can be achieved by encouraging open communication, celebrating cultural events, and providing platforms for employees to share their experiences and perspectives. Regularly measure and report progress. Track the effectiveness of D&I initiatives through regular surveys, feedback sessions, and performance metrics. Transparency in reporting progress and setbacks helps build trust and demonstrates a genuine commitment to continuous improvement. Benefits of diversity and inclusion. Enhance creativity and innovation. A diverse workforce brings a wide range of perspectives and experiences, which can lead to more innovative solutions and ideas. When employees feel included, they are more likely to contribute their unique insights, fostering a culture of creativity. Improved employee satisfaction and retention. Inclusive workplaces are associated with higher levels of employee satisfaction. When employees feel respected and valued, they are more likely to be engaged and loyal to the organization. This reduces turnover rates and the costs associated with recruitment and training. Better decision-making. Diverse teams are better at decision-making because they consider a broader range of perspectives and potential outcomes. This leads to more thorough analysis and better quality decisions. Enhanced company reputation. Organizations that prioritize D&I are often viewed more favorably by customers, clients, and potential employees. A strong commitment to diversity and inclusion can enhance a company's brand reputation and make it an employer of choice. Increased market reach. A diverse workforce can help organizations better understand and serve a diverse customer base. Employees with varied backgrounds can provide insights into different market segments, enabling the company to tailor its products and services to meet the needs of a broader audience. In conclusion, integrating diversity and inclusion into workplace practices is not only a moral imperative but also a strategic advantage. By committing to D&I, organizations can reap significant benefits, including enhanced innovation, employee satisfaction, and overall performance.